Alright guys, we are finally back with Jordan's beautiful Mustang. And we are draining the fuel and going to be dropping, well, actually in a Mustang we're going to be pulling out the tank from the trunk. So I'm going to undo all this, unhook all the lines and wiring, and up top I'll disconnect the feeder hose, whatever you want to call it, filler neck. And unbolt it all, and I just noticed that hanger's not doing anything. Unbolt it all and pull it out. So we're getting there. This took a little bit of a, oop, there's some fuel. Smells like fuel. This took a little bit of convincing with some PB blaster to get out. Oh shit. Throw that back in there. Alright, we'll figure out a better way to do that. We'll see you later, guys.
Are you leaking?
Yeah, I figured out a better way, like I said. I open the thing and it starts hitting the exhaust and going everywhere.
Ugh. So yeah, this gas stinks. I mean, it's old for sure. We have some fresh fuel, but we're gonna probably end up just taking the tank out real quick. Should we take the tank out or should we just clean it? Because it's not that bad.
No, I mean, we can look in it.
We'll take a look in it.
We'll take a look in it and see how bad it is.
But if we put fresh fuel in it, I think it'll be a lot better. Fresh fuel, yay. You having fun yet?
Nope.
Okay, good.
Good thing I have a spare change of clothes because I am covered in fuel.
Sorry you were late. You were just cranking your hog?
I will say it's not as bad as a Cougar.
Oh, that stuff was horrible.
I got that all over me too. That was way worse.
Didn't you just throw your clothes out that day?
Yes.
Nice. Nice. All right, so.
It's been a few days here while I just throw out my clothes.
Yeah, you like taking them off anyway. I'm perusing
I like
them.
you taking them off.
Wait, no. Can't afford that.
The train plug is in the bottom of this.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna crack the gas cap. Try to make your life a little easier. Oh no,
that did absolutely nothing.
That's
I'm
wild.
Sure the seal on that isn't perfect.
No. All right, we're gonna continue draining this. Take a gander in the tank. Do a little licksy-poo.
Do you know about how much fuel was in here?
I have no idea because the level sender wasn't working.
Of course it wasn't.
But we're gonna change the level sender.
Bucket.
If we're gonna change the level sender, yeah, it's gonna be easy because it's gonna be empty. Yay! Hey, Macarena. Let's see what we got.
Hey, shush. From one Ford to another, just, you know, many decades in between.
Ford fun.
Yeah, it's always Fords around here.
It's the land of Fords.
Yeah, but all the fuel's in these buckets and on the ground, so. Got that all done. I'll throw the plug back in, no. But I'll keep the plug handy. And over here, I just pulled the starter again for like the 80th time. So we can pull, or so I can pull the bell housing. So I'm gonna pull these bolts here, 9/16 to 5/8, so 9/16. And yeah, so we'll pull that, reline the clutch, put the transmission back in, and hopefully that'll be done by the end of the day. We're getting there one step at a time with this car.
Yeah, got a colossal headache, but gotta make sure it's right.
Yeah. So, one step at a time.
Ah! Ow!
I got that on video. Well, got the bell housing out. I was like, what, 8 bolts?
Yeah, it's simple.
Yeah. So we're gonna
Realign the clutch and
Yeah,
then put the
'cause-
bell housing back.
we're gonna be done outside here.
Yeah, we ain't gonna be allowed to play outside for a while. It's getting gross.
But we'll realign it. There's a transmission's in the trunk, right?
Yeah, we said.
Yeah. So I'll pull out Jordan's trans. And
Okay.
I'll pull out his trans and then we can get everything mounted back. But, yeah. Get him, man.